here in New York City, they're talking about congestion pricing and all these things that are plaguing, I'm going to say plaguing, that are like, I'm not going to say plague, I'm going to say that worrying drivers. Congestion pricing, gas prices, maintenance, they're worried they cannot pay their rent, things like that. And I'm thinking to myself, okay, and there's a group here that does an amazing job trying to fight for the rights of drivers. But I feel like the city's going to do what they want anyway, and they really don't care about the driver. But that's me. But I said, well, what is there other you can do aside from driving a car? Because it's not something that you're going to get rich and retire well with. In fact, I feel like, any type of work, there's not that guarantee. Even good jobs with great benefits and pension plans, you're not even guaranteed that. And I've been searching and looking for ways to make money online passively, and I believe I found it. But what I wanted to leave with you here is that your time is valuable. You choose what to do with your time, and you make people respect you because you teach people how to treat you. I know that times are hard. I don't think you have to put yourself down because you need to put food on the table. There are so many better ways, and I'm on the quest to find that, and I will share that with you.